Hey babes, it's your girl Shugz and I am back with another video. So I don't know if y'all happened to see the video in which I did my own box braids. If you didn't, be sure to check that video out after you watch this one. Don't leave yet. But now I want to come with y'all and show y'all some of my favorite ways to wear my box braids. A lot of these styles you can wear either middle part or side part, but for time's sake, video length's sake, I'm only going to do one of the ways, if that makes sense. But I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you find a style that you can wear too. y'all, so like I said, those are just a few ways that I like to personally wear my box braids. Comment down below any ways that you tend to lean towards. Are you like a bun girl? Are you a high pony? I'm a little dramatic. I love a high, a half up, half down. I just feel like it's like, boom, it's bold, it's sleek, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, babes, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.